In 2026, American homes are no longer defined by size, excess, or ornament. They are defined by intelligence, restraint, and purpose. As lifestyles evolve, architecture responds with quieter confidence, homes that consume less, think more, and live better. This is not about minimalism as a trend, but as a necessity. Today, we explore a house designed for the future, simpler in form, smarter in function, and intentionally human at every scale. The front elevation sets the tone for a new American residential identity. Clean lines, compact massing, and a deliberate absence of excess reflect a shift toward efficiency and clarity. Natural materials soften the geometry, while smart lighting and energy-conscious glazing signal intelligence without spectacle. This facade does not seek attention, it earns respect through balance, proportion, and restraint. In 2026, curb appeal is no longer decorative, it is architectural honesty made visible. Inside, the living room reveals the heart of simplified living. Space is not oversized, but precisely measured for comfort and connection. Furniture is intentional, storage is integrated, and technology quietly supports the environment rather than dominating it. Natural light replaces visual clutter, while smart systems manage comfort seamlessly in the background. This room reflects a fundamental change. Living well is no longer about more space, but about better space. The master bedroom is a study in calm efficiency. Every surface serves a purpose, every material encourages rest. Built-in storage eliminates visual noise, while smart lighting adapts to circadian rhythms. The palette is warm, restrained, and timeless. In 2026, luxury is not excess, it is silence, comfort, and control. This space proves that simplicity, when executed well, becomes deeply personal and profoundly restorative. The kitchen reflects how American homes now prioritize function without sacrificing beauty. Compact layouts reduce wasted movement, while smart appliances and concealed storage elevate efficiency. Materials are durable, tactile, and honest. Nothing is ornamental, everything earns its place. In this home, the kitchen is no longer a showroom, it is a precision tool for everyday life, designed to adapt, respond, and endure. The mezzanine demonstrates how vertical space replaces unnecessary square footage. Light, open, and multifunctional, it expands the home without enlarging its footprint. Whether used for reading, work, or retreat, this level embodies spatial intelligence. In 2026, good design is not about adding rooms, but unlocking overlooked dimensions of living. The bathroom transforms efficiency into elegance. Compact planning, water-saving fixtures, and smart mirrors redefine daily rituals. Materials are clean yet warm, technical yet human. This space reflects a broader shift. Sustainability is no longer visible sacrifice, but invisible intelligence. Every detail is refined to support comfort while reducing consumption. The front yard abandons decorative excess in favor of environmental logic. Native landscaping, reduced maintenance, and smart lighting create a welcoming yet responsible threshold. This is not landscaping for appearance alone, it is landscape as infrastructure. In 2026, the American yard becomes an extension of sustainable living, not a visual obligation. Above, the rooftop becomes a working surface. Solar integration, insulation efficiency, and usable outdoor space redefine how roofs perform. No longer passive, this layer actively contributes to the home's energy intelligence. The house does not just shelter, it produces, adapts, and responds. The home office reflects the permanence of remote and hybrid work. Compact, acoustically balanced, and technologically equipped, it supports productivity without overtaking the home. This space signals a cultural shift: work is integrated, not intrusive. Design adapts to life, not the other way around. The backyard prioritizes usability over size. Thoughtful zoning, integrated seating, and low-impact materials create meaningful outdoor living without excess. It is a place to pause, not perform. In 2026, outdoor space is measured by experience, not square footage. American homes in 2026 are not shrinking, they are refining. By embracing simplicity and intelligence, they reflect how we live today and how we prepare for tomorrow. This house is not a concept, it is a blueprint for a smarter, calmer, and more intentional way of living. Simpler does not mean less. It means better.